Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering on both devices and preparing permissions. Plug in and charge to at least 50%, then open the drone app and accept necessary permissions so it can access Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location. Once done, power on the controller, then the drone, and watch the status LEDs. They indicate readiness. Make sure the drone firmware and the app are up to date, because mismatched versions commonly block connections and can prevent the camera stream from appearing. Now you establish the link between phone and drone. In the app, choose either the controller connection method or direct Wi-Fi hotspot listed by the drone. Follow the on-screen pairing prompts and enter any password shown on the controller or sticker. Make sure to confirm Bluetooth codes if used, and allow the app to join the drone's network. Once paired, the app will negotiate a video stream, and after a short buffer, you should see a live thumbnail. Tap it to open the full camera view. Finish by calibrating sensors and confirming a stable video feed. You'll want to set the home point, calibrate compass and gimbal, then check camera settings like exposure and resolution so you get a clear stream. If you see lag or frame drops, switch frequency bands or lower bitrate in the app, then retest. If the feed never appears, restart the app, power cycle controller and drone, or toggle your phone's Wi-Fi. That simple reset resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.